I'm taking the video. Look.
Where's this little one? I love you so much. Oh, give me a hug. Oh, there we go.
Move it. Get the booty.
Pull it up higher. There you go. There you go. She's just warming up. I'm gonna fudge popsicle. Oh, there are no more fudgesicles?
Shut.
You guys finished them?
Yes. Well, you're not taking a video of them. You're taking a video of me.
No, I'm taking a video of her. Watch.
Jump.
Watch. Oh, buddy, I love you. Here, come here. Oh, come here. Stop playing with them. Oh. Whoa.
Stinky butt.
Mom Fuad, come here. Videotape this. Look at Tyson. Watch. He's gonna be like shit up here.
Throwing lights.
Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on.
You gotta move it quick, Rihanna. Not that quick, just around and around.
Watch his arm. His arm's gonna go up like, shut up, you're stupid. Where's the shut up, you're stupid?
I got him.
Did you fart?
Oh, don't hit him in the face, Rihanna. You hit him right in the face. Be careful.
I didn't do that. He jumped in.
Spin it the other way. It's getting tied up on the pole. Be careful not to hit him in the face. Keep it away from his eye.
Kevon, stop.
It's tied up.
Well, let her untied, Kayvon. Move, Kayvon.
Stop. Stop.
Ow.
I have some homework to do.
Yeah, you got, don't you?
I did my homework.
I'm trying to.
Hi, baby. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Hey, lazy butt. Hey, move out of the way. Come on, kitty. Go.
Why don't you turn it off? I need to do my homework.
Why on Instagram? I want to watch it. They just do it normally. I had 4 arms. I wish I had 4 arms so I could do both of them at the same time. Marina, you won't see this. Get a video of them. Okay, go. Go lazy butt. Go lazy butt. Go lazy butt. Go lazy butt. Hi, baby. Look at you. Hey, God. Are you lazy to catch it? I guess you are. I'm done.